morning, students. I hope all of you are safe at your homes, and I hope for your safety, and I pray to God for your safety. Today, me, Neetu, your English teacher. Today we are going to discuss the short composition. In our previous videos, we have discussed it earlier, but few topics we have discussed, and the next topics we are going to discuss. First, we discussed situation vacant, and then after situation wanted, third one for sale, and then after for purchase. Now I am going to discuss with you the next point, that is to let. To let. Maybe you have seen on the shops and the houses, one notice board was there, one advertisement was there. On that advertisement it was written that to let. To let means a building that may be a commercial building, that may be a residential building, is free for rent. You want to give your building on rent, that's why you can give the advertisement in the to let column. But before writing the to let column, there are some requirements. The first point, the advertisement in the column of to let, it should begin with available, whichever you want to give on the rent, you can write that or wanted. For example, you want to take a building on rent, then you will write the word wanted. If you want to give your building on rent, then you will write available. And the next point will be state the type of accommodation. Type of accommodation. Type of accommodation means whether it is a commercial place or residential place. For example, for example, you want to give your extra house which you have on rent. That is known as a residential building. But if you have a shop, you want to give that shop on rent, that is commercial building. You have to state whether it is commercial or residential. Second, the third one is brief description. Brief description. It means which building you want to give, what are the facilities are there in that building. You have to explain that. That comes under the heading of brief description. And then after, rent expected. Rent expected. And then after, the same as in all advertisements, that is contact number and address. Is it clear? There are 5 things which we keep in mind while writing the advertisement in the to let column. First one, it should begin with available or wanted. Second one, type of accommodation. Third one, brief description should be there. Fourth one, the rent expected. And the next one, contact number and address. As I earlier told you that without contact number and address, it cannot be completed. Let me explain one example. For example, you want to let out a flat. Prepare an advertisement in a local newspaper, should not exceed than 50 words, in the classified column to let. Firstly, you will make a box. As I already given you the basic requirements of the advertisement. Firstly, the heading should be written. First, you should make a box, and then after the heading should be written. What will be the heading? That is to let. And the heading should be in capital letters. And then after, available. For example, now you are going to give your building on rent. I told you that you want to let out a flat. Available. You will start the advertisement with the word available. Available, a 3 BHK flat in area. Which area it is? Type of accommodation you are telling? 3 BHK flat. In which area you can give any address? For example, second floor, Ansel, MIT flats, having lobby, spacious lobby, balcony, fully furnished, well ventilated, and then after walking distance from main market. Brief description I have given. Then after you can tell that walking distance from market and taxi stand. And then after the next point, the rent expected is 10,000 per month, 7,000 per month, whatever it is, you can describe. And at last, the interested person can contact on this number and address. This is the advertisement under the heading of to-let. And next one is, which I am going to discuss, that is education. Education. In this heading, maybe, not maybe, surely you have seen the pamphlets in the newspaper. Our school is also giving the pamphlet for the advertisement of the school. There are so many schools, and all of the schools, all of the institutions, all of the colleges are giving the advertisement in the newspaper. In that newspaper, they told us, they tell us about the facilities provided in that college, institute, school, whatever it is, and what are the courses provided for that. So you can take example of any institute, just like Allen Institute, Alex, they are giving their advertisement and they are offering the courses. In this, first of all, we should give the name of the institution. What is the name of the institution? We will start the advertisement with the name of the institution. For example, SHVM, school का name. Then after mention the courses. Then after courses, mention the courses offered and duration of the courses. Whether it is a 6-month course, 1-year course, 2-year course, whatever the duration of the course, you have to mention. And the third one, eligibility conditions. Eligibility condition. I think all of you know that if we want to do any course, and for that course we should have a particular qualification. Then after, eligibility of the course. Which course you want to do, what is the eligibility of that course. And the next point is fee structure and facilities. Fee structure, and facilities. And the next point is date of registration. Date of registration, up to which date you can register yourself in that institution. And last, that is not least, that one is contact number and address. Let me explain again. Name of the institution, firstly you should give the, for example, our school is going to start new courses. For example, our school is going to start a computer course. We are going to advertisement for that. So firstly we will give the name of the school. SHVM, the LSDBRA, Sarvi Prani Vidya Mandir, is going to start the computer course. Then after duration, 6 months computer course or 1 year computer course, and the eligibility of this course is 10th class, and there are 5,000 fee for the whole course, or it can be monthly. Then after date of the register, up to the 6th June you can register yourself, and at last you can give the address and contact number. The school address and contact number will be given there. For more queries, for more questions, you can contact on this number and the address. Is it clear? And now let us come to the next column, that is lost and found. Lost and found. Lost and found. What is lost and found? It is clear through its name. Lost and found, it means we have lost something, we find something, we found something in our school campus and at any place. Maybe we are going so many places. We are going at so many places, we can find anything, and how to get the advertisement for that thing. First of all, it should begin with lost or found. If you have lost your thing, then you will start with lost. If you have found anything, then you will start the advertisement with found word. Then after, specify the item. Specify the item. Which item you have lost or which item found. And then after, give the brief physical description. Physical description of that thing. Physical description. For example, you have found a purse. You can give the physical description of the purse. It's a leather purse, color, and whatever the size, you can explain each and everything. And then after, where it is found or lost. Where it is found or lost. And then after, where it is found or lost, and then after, if there is any reward, if you want to give any reward, if any. For example, your precious things has been lost and you find to that thing, you give the advertisement lost and found column, and at last you want to mention that if somebody would find this, he could get reward, whatever it is, it may be in the terms of money, it may be in the terms of any other thing, and at last contact number and address. Contact number and address. And then after, in the fourth point, that is travels and tours. Travels and tours. You may have seen the advertisement in the newspaper. Some of the travel agencies are giving their advertisement, and they are giving the advertisement that 2 days, 3 nights package in outside India or in India also. It may be in the Indian places or it may be outer places like India. For example, you want to go to Malaysia and you want to go to any other place, and you are you are discussing with the traveling agencies. They are offering you they are offering you how you can do that, and they are giving you 2 days and 3 nights package, and they are giving you 3 days 4 nights package, whatever it is. First of all, we will begin with package available. Which package they are giving? Begin with package available. Then after, second point will be state the name of travel agency. Name of travel agency. And then after, the next will be specify destination and duration. Destination and duration. And the next point, that is detail like food, sightseeing facility, etc. Whether it is included in the package or no. And the next one is estimated cost and discount. Estimated cost and discount. And the last thing, as you already know that is contact number and address. Contact number and address. And then after, the last type of advertisement is matrimonials. Matrimonials. I hope all of you have seen the matrimonials in the newspaper. In the matrimonial, boys and girls give the advertisement that they want a bride or bridegroom, whatever it is. There are two partitions of this matrimonial. One is bride wanted and other one is bridegroom wanted. And what are the basic requirements for this? And it will start with, begin with wanted, alliance or proposal around. Invited. Begin with wanted, alliance and or proposal invited. Proposal invited. And the next point is boy or girl, whether you want a bride or a bridegroom, which you want. For example, you are a boy, you wanted a bride, and you are a girl, you want a bridegroom. And then after, service and profession. Service and profession and income. What is the income of that person? And then after, age, sex, and then after, height, color, any special mark, and caste, etc. Caste, etc. Each and everything should be mentioned. And at last, box number of a daily newspaper. And at last, contact number. You want to give the contact number in this or not? It is not mandatory because you are giving the box number of a daily newspaper. If you are giving the box number of a daily newspaper, then there is no need to give the contact number and address. We have discussed in this point, we have completed our advertisement. I have explained the example of tool-led and educational and loss and fun. Let me explain the example of tours and travels. Tours and travels, for example, Sita Travels 227 Jagriti Enclave, Delhi offers a package tour for 3 nights, 4 days in Mauritius for rupees 10,000 per person. Now, so many information is given in the heading, draft and advertisement. Firstly, you will make the box, and under the box, you will write the heading, that is travel and tours, and the heading should be in capital letter as I already mentioned. And then after, attractive package available. Begin with a package available. Attractive package available for. It is given in the heading that you want to go to Mauritius. With the attractive package available for Mauritius, that is 3 nights, 4 days, breakfast and dinner and stay at 3-star hotel. All the destination and duration will be given. Sightseeing included, food included, and the cost of this is 10,000 per person. Special discount for early riders. The early birds or early riders, you can use any words. And then after, contact. Lastly, contact and address number, that is Sita Travels 227 Jagriti Enclave, Delhi. That address is given in the advertisement. It is not necessary that already the address is always the address will be given to you. The address can be given to you or not. It may be in the heading or it may not be in the heading. If it is not in the heading, then you can write any address or any contact number. And then after the last, that is matrimonial. Here, as I already told you that there are 2 parts. One is bride wanted and other one is bridegroom wanted. In the bride wanted, I am giving you one example. For example, a highly placed IT professional settled in London. One IT professional is there who is settled in London, seeks an alliance with an exceptionally beautiful. It means there are some qualities which he wants. Which qualities are there? He wanted a beautiful girl, educated, cultured, tall girl of a status Punjabi family. It means he demands a girl for Punjabi family. That is suitable advertisement for the matrimonial column of a national daily. Now a boy is wanted a girl, then what will be the heading? Bride wanted. The heading should be in capital letters. Alliance invited for a very handsome. As I already told you that you can start by begin with wanted or alliance. Alliance or proposal invited. Alliance wanted or proposal invited. You can start from any word. Alliance invited or proposal invited for a very handsome, tall, cultured IT professional, former artist की age. That is 28 years, 180 centimeter tall, height and then after settled in London at the post of CEO of a reputed firm. And then after, girl ki description. The description of other sex which you want. That is exceptionally beautiful, highly educated and cultural girl between 22 to 26 and at least 5 foot tall. Only status Punjabi family. Each and everything is given, and at last box number 867B, Times of India, New Delhi. Now the box number is given and there is no need to give the contact number and the address. As it is, if you want to give the advertisement under the heading of bridegroom wanted, then you can change the qualification and the qualities of the person, whether it is bride or whether it is bridegroom wanted. I hope all the types of the advertisements have been clear to you, and at the end of this video I am going to explain all the types just in brief. First one is situation wanted, situation vacant, for sale, for purchase, and the next one is 2 lakh. I have explained all the requirements, and then after educational, these are the requirements of educational, and then after lost and found, travels and tours, and matrimonials. These are the types of the advertisement. I hope it is clear to you, and now I am going to end my video, and I hope the board will keep you safe and healthy at your homes, and thank you very much for listening me very patiently. Thanks again.